Welcome back to the next topic of ionization potential, IP. If it is a potential applied on electron at rest, so it is known as kinetic energy becomes equal to ionization energy. Ionization energy unit is, suppose X electron volt per atom means ionization potential also same answer, just to change the unit into volt per atom. If your electron volt per atom is converted into volt per atom, same formula, that is ionization energy formula, plus 13.6 into Z square EV by atom. Same formula to be applied here, but only the thing is change the unit volt per atom. For example, ionization energy in previous problem we got 54.4 electron volt per atom is the answer. If the question is instead of ionization energy, if the question is ionization potential means just change the unit electron volt into volt. So 54.4 volt per atom is the answer for ionization potential. 54.4 electron volt by atom is the ionization energy answer. So now see the problem. So calculate the ionization potential of lithium 2 plus. IP means ionization potential. They have given values 134.4 electron volt per atom, 134.4 volt per atom, 122.4 electron volt per atom, and 122.4 volt per atom. So our formula of ionization energy is plus 13.6 Z square EV by atom. Electron volt per atom is the formula. So lithium 3 plus, I told you Z is equal to 3. So just apply 3 square. 13.6 into 3 square, 9 into 13.6, you are getting 122.4 electron volt per atom. Because our formula electron volt per atom. But in the they are asked ionization potential. Ionization potential means the unit is volt per atom. So just to write the same answer, change the unit volt per atom. So our answer is D option. Next slide topic, binding energy. It is energy required to remove completely electron from the nth shell. So nth level. So this is, for example, any level. From the incidence of the photon of energy, electron is fall into the any one of the nth level, and this is the nth, infinity nth level. So in energy in the infinity is equal to 0. So n is equal to nth level. En is equal to minus this nth level, minus 13.6 Z square divided by n square. So if it is a electron in n is equal to infinity level, so energy of the infinity level equal to 0. So infinity level minus En is the change of the energy. Delta E equal to E infinity minus E nth level energy. So this is 0 minus into minus 13.6 into Z square by n square. Minus of minus plus 13.6 Z square by n square is the formula for binding energy formula. Binding energy is equal to plus 13.6 Z square n square. So let us see one problem based on the binding energy. Calculate the binding energy of second orbit of He plus. So here I have options of minus 13.6 electron volt per atom, plus 13.6 electron volt per atom, and minus 26.3 electron volt per atom, and plus 26.3 electron volt per atom. So they said a second orbit. So n is equal to 2 square. Helium atomic number is 2. So this is 2 square and this is also 2 square getting cancelled. Definitely will get a plus 13.6 our answer. So that is also the unit is electron volt per atom. So let us see the explanation. Binding energy equal to formula plus 13.6 Z square by n square electron volt per atom is the formula. So Z is equal to 2 for helium. This is the second orbit they said. So n is equal to 2. So 2 square by 2 square cancel. So our answer would be 13.6 electron volt per atom. So this is the correct answer. Next side heading is excitation energy. It is energy required to excite the electron from first level to the nth level. So here the electron is falling into the nth level, and this is nth level. Any one of the infinity level is considered as the nth level. That is minus 13.6 z square by n square. Nth level, maybe n is equal to third orbit, or it may be a fourth orbit, like that. So E1 is equal to minus 13.6 z square by n square. So the n square, if it is the first order, n is equal to 1. So it is a 1 square. So minus 13.6 z square electron volt per atom. So here excitation energy is equal to delta E. So nth level minus E1 first level. So this is minus 13.6 z square by n square for the nth level, minus for a first energy level minus 13.6 z square by 1 square. This is minus of minus acquires plus. So minus 13.6 z square n square plus 13.6 z square by 1 square, because there is a first level. So here commonly I have taken this 13.6 z square outside. Then here minus 1 by n1, minus 1 by n square plus 1 by 1 square. So I have taken plus 1 by 1 square this side first. I have taken this minus 1 by n square in a right side. So electron volt by atom is the formula for excitation energy. Excitation energy formula is equal to 13.6 z square into 1 by 1 square minus 1 by n square, nth level. So based on the excitation of energy, one problem, let us see. Question number 23, calculate the second excitation energy of lithium 2 plus. Lithium 2 plus means atomic number is 3. So here 108.8 electron volt per atom, 108.8 volt per atom, 198.7 electron volt per atom, 198.7 volt per atom. So let us see the excitation energy formula. 13.6 z square into 1 by 1 square minus 1 by n square, the unit electron volt per atom only. So here 13.6 z square for this lithium, already I told you z is equal to 3. So 3 square. And it is a second excitation energy means n is equal to 3. So what this is 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 3 square. So we are getting 3 after taking all LCM. Let us see this 13.6 into 9, 1 by 1 minus 1 by 9. So the LCM is taken 9 minus 9 into 1, 9. 1 minus 1 into 1. So what? 1 into 9, 9. So 9 minus 1 by 9, 8 by 9. So this 9 and this 9 get cancelled. So 13.6 into 8, we are getting 108.8 electron volt per atom. One is the trick to you to find out the first, if the question, first excitation energy, if they ask n is equal, n1 is always n1 is equal to 1 only, but n2 is equal to 2. If it is a second excitation, n2 is equal to 3. If it is a third excitation, n2 is equal to 4. So remember this trick, because first excitation, second excitation energy, third excitation energy means n2 value is 2, 3 and 4. Then excitation potential. So it is the potential required to accelerate the electron from the rest so that the kinetic energy becomes equals to excitation of the ion energy. So here excitation energy of electron per atom and excitation potential means volt per atom. Even here also, that after finding excitation potential, just change the volt unit itself, unit to electron volt to volt, and per atom is same. So let us see another example. Which of the following is the smallest cation? So Na plus, Mg2 plus, Ca2 plus, scandium 3 plus. Top to bottom, when it comes down, that atomic radii or ionic radii definitely will be increases from top to bottom. So beryllium, magnesium, calcium, but in left to right it has a decreases. So Na plus Mg2 plus have 10 electron, but Ca2 plus and the scandium 3 plus have a 18 electrons. So you just to see what are the atoms they have given, ions they have given. Sodium. So sodium atomic number is 11. Na plus means losing 1 electron, becomes 10 electron, and Mg 12. Magnesium is 12, atomic number is 12. It becomes a Mg2 plus means losing 2 electron, it has 10 electrons. So N sodium plus and Mg2 plus having 10 electron. And next calcium 2 plus. Calcium atomic number is 20. After losing 2 electron, it becomes a 18 electron. And scandium atomic number is 21. Here the ion is scandium 3 plus. So after losing 3 electron from 21, remaining 18 electrons. So calcium 2 plus ion, scandium 3 plus ion have 18 electrons. Sodium plus and magnesium 2 plus have only 10 electrons. When you compare to plus and Mg2 plus, it is started to drag the electron from the valence electron very fast, more attraction. So it is very have smaller in a size of that. Next question. The metal exhibit higher oxidation state in the which block? P block, S block, D block, F block. So overall in a periodic table, the more and more variable oxidation states are present only in the D block elements. So most probably most of the characters says the why D block elements are called as a transition elements, means they are seated in between S block and the P block elements. S block are more electropositive, P block are a more less electropositive metal. So for in osmium, ruthenium alone, these two are alone having the +8 oxidation number. This is called, these are the two metals will have the maximum number of oxidation state. That too belongs to D block orbitals. Thanks for watching, students.